guys, today I'm going to show you general troubleshooting in air conditioner. If you have any kind of air conditioner, so here are some faults and causes so you can check by self. When any air conditioner malfunction is noted, immediately switch off the power supply to the unit and contact to the local dealer if necessary. So that's why some simple troubleshooting tips are here. So let's see. If you facing compressor, if you see if compressor doesn't work in 3 minutes, after 3 minutes after starting, in 3 minutes compressor will not work. So what you can do, protection against frequent starting, this is the cause. Wait for 3 to 4 minutes more, and also check your air conditioner mode. Maybe your mode of the air conditioner is not the same, like not on cool mode, maybe it's on fan mode or it's on heating mode. So check also your remote control setting, then wait for 3 to 4 minutes, it will work. Then the next one is the unit does not work. So what the cause is power failure or need to replace the fuse. If you can replace the fuse, but also check the power plug may be disconnected. It is also possible that you set the timer on your remote control. So check the remote control setting, and if the fault persists after the verifications, contact your installer. And another one is the airflow is too low. Maybe your airflow of your air conditioner and or unit is too low. So what is the problem? Maybe the air filter is dirty. So you have to clean in every month your air conditioner filters minimum. And the door and windows are open. Maybe you have to double check your area if there is some place is open. That's why. And the air intake and discharge area are closed. So means the air conditioner is not sucking the air. That's why. So check all these things and clean all your filters, like that, all the things. Then number 4 is the remote control light is dim. So battery flat, maybe you have to change the batteries are incorrectly inserted or misplaced. So double check your battery of your remote control. Other one is air discharge flow has bad odor. So odors may be caused by cigarette smoke particles, perfume, etc., which adhere to the coil. So check if there is any moisture on the wall, garments and others. Check the drain pan also. And the 6th one is condensation on front panel. So this is due to air humidity after a long time operation. So what you can do, the set temperature is too low, maybe this is also the reason. So increase the temperature of your air conditioner and change it to high fan. Run on high fan your air conditioner until half an hour, it will be good. So the 7th one is hissing sound during operation. This is also most of the person complaining, hissing sound during operation. So it is normal actually. Refrigerant flow into a breather coil. Whenever your compressor start, outdoor units compressor start, the refrigerant flow in the breather coil. That's why having noise like hissing. It's only for 3 to 10 seconds, maybe 15 seconds. It's normal. Okay. So that's all. This was general troubleshooting for Action air conditioners. So let's see. We will see in the next video. Until then, bye bye. Thanks.